Hi guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to make a simple transmitter and a receiver using the cheapest RF modules. Let's get started. This is the TX module, which is the transmitter, and this is the switch. I'm going to use a 510 ohm resistor as well. I connect one wire of the switch to the data pin on the RF module. On the other side of the switch I connected a 510 ohm resistor, for which I will later connect to the VCC input pin on the RF module. This RF module works at a frequency of 433 MHz. This module will continuously spit out this frequency. When you press the switch when this frequency is being spitted out, it will cause a phase shift in the amplitude. This amplitude will be detected by the receiver and hence it responds. Next step, I connect the VCC to the battery and then connect to the ground as well. Unfortunately, I saw some smoke coming out. This smoke was due to a short circuit. To solve this problem, I connected the ground on top. Then later I got myself a small wire which I used as the antenna. I connected it into its position. And now I'm done with making a transmitter. Next step is the making of a receiver. Unlike the transmitter, the receiver has 4 pins. I connected a small LED, its positive to VCC and its negative to data output pin. Now I connected the positive part of the lithium ion battery to VCC as well. I then later got a small wire which I will use as the antenna to receive the output signal from the transmitter. I first applied some solder onto its tip. Then I soldered it into the position of the antenna. When I'm done, I connected the negative part of the lithium ion battery to the ground. And now the transmitter and the receiver are done. It was now time to test them. Surprisingly, the receiver was blinking already. Whenever I turn on the transmitter, it just stops blinking. But this is not what we want. So what I did, I first turned off the transmitter, then connected it again. And now this issue was solved. After that, whenever I turned on the switch of the transmitter, it turned on the LED on the receiver. And now the whole setup is done. If you learned something new, don't forget to like. It really helps my channel to be noticed. Stay creative and see you next time.